Hey, it's Shelly from Best Buy blog. I've been testing out the Redroad P17 pet grooming kit. The P17 is a dog hair and cat hair vacuum cleaner, and you can find it right now by clicking on the link in the description below and heading over to Best Buy. Here's a look at what you get in the box with the Redroad P17 pet vacuum. This vacuum cleaner is also essentially a grooming kit, and it does clean up after you when you're grooming your pets. So it includes two grooming brushes. It has a pet clipper, so it also has four attachments for the clipper with different adjustable heights so that you can clip at different lengths. And it also includes tools to clean up your couch, as well as a lint roller attached to the vacuum cleaner you can use to get pet hair off of yourself. The Redroad P17 has 3 power levels. Here's what it sounds like when it's running. The Redroad P17 will only run at about 60 decibels at the highest power level. So that is still quieter than a stick vacuum. So for example, my Dyson stick vacuum runs at 85 decibels. Depending on how your pets react to vacuum cleaners, the 60 decibels may be too loud already, or it may be quiet enough that they're comforted and they're not too concerned about being vacuumed or groomed. And in my case, I have a corgi who loves to chase my vacuum cleaner around, and she doesn't mind it at all. But in the case of this, she wasn't quite sure about me brushing her with the vacuum cleaner. So I tested it out quite a few times with her, and one of my recommendations with using this specific vacuum cleaner to groom your pets is to use the attachments a few times around them and get them used to both the audio and the attachments before you try to groom them. So what I did was turn it on and I let it run. And once I let it run just for a little while, they didn't mind the sound too much, and I was able to easily brush her out. When you're using the grooming tools and the clipper, the vacuum cleaner will suck the hair into the dustbin. It's a 1.3-liter dustbin, and you can just pop it off and empty it out. It also has a 4-stage filtration system. So that is the HEPA filter, and underneath it there is the motor, as well as a sponge and another filter. They are all very easy to pop out, so it's easy to clean. I found it was really simple to work with the grooming tools. I used the de-shedding brush and the other brush, as well as the clipper on Mochi, and as you can see here, she wasn't exactly impressed right out of the gate, but before long we were able to easily brush her. The grooming tools have stainless steel brushes that will pop in and out, so you could just use it as a smoothing tool, or you can push out the stainless steel comb, and that will get a lot more hair, especially on a corgi. I found that the suction on the device was really, really good, especially in high power levels. And it easily removed a lot of hair off of Mochi. She tends to only shed twice a year in huge clumps, and I had just brushed her, so that was still an impressive amount of hair that I managed to pull off. I did attempt to use the clipper as well, but there isn't a lot to clip on Mochi. And when I tried to use it on my larger dog, she was not used to the sound of a vacuum cleaner, so I wasn't very successful. But I imagine that for mats or for any sort of grooming you'd like to do with a clipper, it is definitely powerful enough, because I did take it over Mochi's coat slightly, and it didn't have a guard on it, and it went way too close to her skin. My husband actually said that it would be a great tool for clipping our son's hair. I did not test that out. I like how they've included cleaning tools with the appliance, so you can actually clean your couch after. There's a crevice tool, and there's a little brush, and there's a lint roller that you just pop onto the vacuum cleaner hose, and you can just remove fur from your shirt or your jacket. This is my cat Eddie, and he just hurt his leg, so he has to wear the cone. But I did try to test it out on him. So what I did was try to get him used to it first, and he loves the brush. So you can keep that in mind when grooming cats, is that you can use it without the vacuum cleaner suction on, and they will absolutely love it. He's just making biscuits on the couch, and he was purring like a little fiend. So he was really enjoying it without the suction on. When I did turn the suction on, he took off from the couch. So the cleaning was over, and I think he'll just stick to no suction right now. I really like the Redroad V17. I think the suction is powerful, and I absolutely love having a way to groom my cat and dog without having a lot of hair flying all over. It's a great little kit with all of the tools you need to groom your pet. So that's it for my look at the Redroad V17 Pet Grooming Kit Dog Hair Cat Hair Vacuum Cleaner. You can find this pet vacuum by clicking on the link in the description below and heading over to Best Buy. Thanks for watching.